Hi everyone, here we've got LG K42 and let me show you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's tap on the sound. And as you can see here we've got the whole ringtone section. We can change the ringtone for calls and this is the very first option, or for notifications. What's more, under it we've got actually 3 options which you can customize, so you can decide if you'd like to ring with vibration, if you'd like to set the ringtone ID, or if you'd like to activate the flash alert for incoming call. So of course it's really up to you if you'd like to activate them or turn them off, but let me focus on it, how to change actually the ringtone, and I will show you using the ringtone for calls. So let's tap on the very first option. And as you can see here, we've got the full list of available ringtones from which we can choose. So we've got actually a lot of options to choose from. What's more, they are listed in some categories. So here we've got some elegant ones, chic, pleasant, joyful, and schedule, environmental. So actually a lot of options. What's more, you can tap on this plus icon, and if you will have any compatible files, for example, downloaded, they will appear right here and you will be able to choose them and set them as a ringtone. But let me get back to the list, and now if you'd like to check how the particular one sounds, simply tap on it, for example on this marching drum. And actually that's all you have to do. In order to change the ringtone, just make sure that it is marked. For example, like here, this soft alarm, it is marked and I would like to set it as a ringtone, so I can freely go back. And as you can see, it appears right here, so it means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone. Of course, the same situation will be with notification sound, so simply tap on this option. And here again you've got the list of defaultly installed ones. Again, you can tap on this plus icon and choose your own file. And if you'd like to listen, just tap on it. And if you're happy with your choice, just go back and make sure that it is marked. And the same situation, it also appears right here, so it means that from now on this device will use the chosen notification sound. So actually that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your LG K42. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.